मिटींग जाल्या, आज डिस्कशन जाला, फायनल मिनिट्स त्यांनी सायन केल्या उपरांत फाल्यां पर्यंत अपॉयंट जातलो. मिटिंगेंतलो इशू जो डिस्कशन्स जाला तेजे मिनिट्स जो पर्यंत फायनलायज जावंक येना तो पर्यंत नांव डिक्लेअर करूं शकना. ताजे कडेन डिस्कशनूय जाला, त्यांनी मिनिट्स हांवें रेडी करून धाडल्या. फायनल डिस्कशन जालें काय नांव डिक्लेअर करतलो.
कितले जाणांचे नांव आशिल्ले जाल्ले सजेस्ट?
2 नांवांचें डिस्कशन आशिल्लें. एक फायनलायज जाला तेजें हें पळोवन ते फायनल मिनिट्स जाले काय आयज सांजे पर्यंत जाल्यार फाल्यां कळयतलें.
उच्च न्यायालयाच्या निर्देशाप्रमाण लोकायुक्ताची नेमणूक बेगीन करची पडटली. नेमणूक करूंक कळाव कित्याक जालो हाची जापूय सरकारान दिवची अशें विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी आलेमा म्हणटा.
There were two names that were shortlisted and म्हाका दिसता आमी मिटिंगेक उल्लेख केलो की since December 20 posts were vacant आनीक ताबोरतोब almost 20 cases of anti-corruption are also pending. आनीक I had written to him a letter as well in July 2025. So म्हाका दिसता they have shortlisted two names that were suggested. Definitely I think in a couple of days the new Lokayukta should be appointed. You will see, and we have to get the Lokayukta at the earliest. There is a High Court directive as well. This is something that the government needs to answer, because every time when there are so many cases of corruption pending, almost more than 20 in the Anti-Corruption Bureau, why it was pending, for what reasons, this is best that the government can answer. Basically it is a delay because maybe they didn't want the cases to be looked into. So Lokayukta is a part of the justice system, and when Goa doesn't have a Lokayukta, it's a sorry state of affairs. Nevertheless, we have forced on to them that it has to be appointed immediately.
प्रुडंटा खातीर स्वप्नील तारी.